Good morning, dear students. Again, you are all welcome in e-learning classes conducted by Modern Educational Group. I am Nilambar Karmakar, your SSC teacher. Today, I am going to discuss about the race topic of our changing Earth. Today, I am discussing the work of sea waves, the work of ice, and the work of wind. So now, start the lesson. Work of sea waves. The erosion and deposition of the sea waves give rise to coastal landforms. Sea waves continuously strike at the rocks, cracks developed, and over the time they become larger and wider. Thus, hollow-like caves are formed on the rocks. They are called sea caves. All these cavities become bigger and bigger. Only the roof of the caves remain, thus forming sea arches. Further, erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left. These walls-like features are called stucks. The steep rocky coast rising almost vertically above sea water is called sea cliff. The sea waves deposit sediments along the shores, forming beaches. Work of ice. Glaciers are rivers of ice which to erode the landscape by bulldozing soil and stones to expose the solid rocks below. Glaciers carve out deep hollows. As the ice melts, they get filled up with water and become beautiful lakes in the mountains. The material carried by the glacier, such as rocks, big and small, sand, and silt, get deposited. These deposits form glacier moraines. Glaciers are massive bodies of flowing ice. They are found in cold regions where snow does not melt. It just piles up and crushes the snow beneath it to form glaciers. Glaciers slowly move downwards, changing the shape of the topography as they go. Glaciers that move downwards carve out U-shaped valley as they slide. Bits of rock carried by the glaciers collect to form ridge-like mounds called moraines. Above a certain height, snow never melts. This is called the snow line. Glaciers always form above this line. And marine always remain below this snow line. Work of wind. An active agent of erosion and deposition in the desert is wind. In deserts, you can see rocks in the shape of mushroom, commonly called mushroom rocks. Wind erodes the lower sections of the rocks more than the upper part. Therefore, such rocks have narrower base and wider top. When the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another place. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in low hill-like structures. These are called sand dunes. When the grains of sand are very fine and light, the wind can carry it over very long distance. When such sand is deposited in a large area, it is called loess. Large deposits of loess are found in China. Now repeat again. Landform by sea waves, sea caves, sea arches, and sea cliff. Landform by ice, glacial moraines. Landform by wind, mushroom rocks, sand dunes, and loess. Dear students, the lesson is completed. If you are any confused and any problem, inform me. Okay? Thank you.